Hey guys, just doing a quick help video for today's topic, which is converting volume units. So all you need for this topic to answer this question is this flowchart, okay? And using that flowchart shows you how to convert between the different volume units. So if you wanted to go from a cubic meter measurement, so like 5 cubic meters, and you wanted to say that in cubic centimeters, you would times the 5 by 100 cubed, which is the same as timesing by 1,000,000. If you wanted to get a measurement that was in cubic centimeters and you wanted it in cubic millimeters, you would times the number by 1,000, which is the same as 10 cubed. Now, if you wanted to go from small units like cubic millimeters to the bigger ones like cubic centimeters, instead of timesing, you're going to divide. So cubic millimeters to cubic centimeters, you divide the number by 1,000. And cubic centimeters to cubic meters, you divide by 1,000,000 instead. So to help set you up with the first question, that is 11, I believe. Volume units. So just keep that, make it small. .65 cubic centimeters to cubic millimeters. Centimeters to cubic millimeters. So what you're going to do is get the 8.65 and look at the flow chart. You're going from cubic centimeters to cubic millimeters. So the arrowhead says that you're going to be timesing by 1,000. So 8.65 times by 1,000 equals, and you're going to find your answer there, and that answer is going to be in cubic millimeters. So do that with your calculator. So the following questions, all you're doing is using that flow chart, okay? So copy, look at the flow chart. So if you look at this question, you're going from cubic centimeters to cubic meters. So cubic centimeters to cubic meters, you're going to be using this arrow here, which is dividing by 1,000,000. So do the same process as the first one. I'm not going to answer it for you. And this one here, you're going from cubic millimeters to cubic centimeters. So once again, use the flow chart, but this time you're going from cubic millimeters to cubic centimeters, so you're dividing by 1,000 instead. Okay, so hopefully you can work that out. You're just going to use the calculator, and see you in the next video.